Pindot.
Hold the clay. Hold, yakapin mo siya. Ayan.
Yeah.
Push it downward slowly to make a fold. Dahan-dahan lang. Huwag mang gigil. Ngayon, widen. Slowly remove your hands. Remove your hands.
Parang ikaw lang naman nasaktan.
Beginner.
Huwag mo ikaw yung dili.
Okay, may I hold your hands? We're going to do the cylinder together. So you're going to relax and then slide it up. Okay, one more time. Okay, now you are going to widen that into a bowl. So ang gagawin mo, you are going to use your right hand here and left hand. You're going to push it out and then slowly pull it up to the tip of the clay. Hold at the top for 2 to 3 seconds. Slowly release.
Wow.
One more time. Push. Then up. Up. Control your pressure. Hold. Release. Ay, naku. Bakit naman? Tulak, and then up.
Pagtabo. Tabo.
Dahan-dahan lang. Huwag mo siyang biglaing itulak. Ang clay, kailangan din na dahan-dahan. Hindi siya binibigla.
Ang lupit to. Tapos yung ginaganon yung smout. So smout. Wow.
Wala nga pong amoy yan.
Confirm.
That is nature. Nature yan na walang amoy.
So organic.
Hi. Sige, akyat po tayo sa taas. There you go.
Amazing scene.
Akyat po tayo sa taas. Flat hands. Hello.